Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that button. If you press that, that's called the notification bell. I recommend you pressing that for two reasons. One, it is a great fun thing to get in your inbox, something fun that's waiting for you. And two, it acts as a shortcut that takes you directly to the video. So you'll get to see the picture of what the video is about with the description on it. And then if that interests you, that it's a deal or something you want to know about right away, all you do is you press it and it takes you directly to the video. So I just think it's a great little thing. I use it and I think it's fun. All right, today we're really excited because today is the day that we announce a giveaway winner. And the name that that we chose is one that was writing to me, ironically, months ago on Instagram, that she was happy she found my channel finally, and she was disappointed that she was missing out on giveaways and things, that and the other thing. And I said, just subscribe, you never know. And then her name was the one that got pulled. So really, really excited that this person is the name that I'm going to announce. But I just want to quickly mention what this giveaway was for. It was for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This was in the Allure box. It is an exclusive color, but I checked my stash and I have so many colors that are so similar to this that I felt I wanted to be able to share it. So this is the item here. It's never been opened and never been swatched, so I'm just going to show you the color from there. And it is going to come in the full retail box that it's here. And then the name of the color on it, it is called Bohemian, and it's right there. So really, really excited to share this with you. Once again, I'm going to announce the winner, and I'm going to also be marking down in the comments of the video that you entered for this giveaway that you won. And I'm also going to reach out to you on direct message through Instagram, and that's where we're going to exchange the personal information of where you want me to ship it to in the US and so on and so forth. Okay? All right. The giveaway winner for this, the name is, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, it is Missy's Laughter. It's MISSISLAUGHTER. But like I said, I will be putting it in the comments of the video. I will also be reaching out to you on the direct message of Instagram to tell you where I'm going to need you to email me your address and so on and so on and so forth. So we'll take it from there. So once again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because you never know. It's a random pick and she got picked. So congratulations again. Thank you for also following me on Instagram, because if you follow me on all of my giveaways, the only things you have to make sure that you're doing is following me here and following me on True Wants 2 on Instagram. That's True Wants with the number 2 right after it. All right. Once again, do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you tell others about my channel. That's how I'm growing, through the networking and through you guys sharing my channel. So I can't thank you guys enough. And these giveaways have been a lot of fun. So I'm hoping to do them. I've been doing them pretty often, a lot more than I thought I was going to be doing them, because we have been getting a lot of duplicates and things like that. So the larger my stash gets, the more the odds are that there's going to be these type of duplicates, as well as the duplicates that we sometimes get in our subscription boxes. So once again, thank you for finding me. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.